Gonna try doing a cold start. Honda Rancher TRX 400 FGA. It's 2007. It hasn't ran since last December. It's crazy. It was leaking from the float bowl the last time I had it running. Watch it start right up. It's sat since last December, almost a whole year. Oh my God! It started right up. I gotta get my friend to rebuild the carburetor. I took it camping last Christmas. My birthday's the day before Christmas. I planned to ride for 4 days. As soon as I unloaded it off the trailer, it started leaking gas. It's probably leaking gas right now. It always ran good. It's got 3,370 miles on it. It's got 5,075 miles. Those were hours. 337 hours. It's hooked up to a Mercedes battery. The battery's dead too. Come on. I need a new battery. Wonder if it'll shut off. Dude, it's leaking gas. Damn it. It looks like it's leaking bad. I put something under to catch the gas. Wow, it's dripping real bad. I couldn't ride it before, it was leaking so bad. I'm gonna shut it off.